Hi everyone, my name is Ben Frear and I'm an immigration lawyer who focuses on helping entrepreneurs. Today, I want to talk about some important updates for Australian entrepreneurs who are considering the E-2 visa in 2024. We'll cover the recent changes to the visa reciprocity fee and the validity period, and I'll also share my latest experience with interview wait times. All right, let's dive in. First up, the E-2 visa reciprocity fee and validity period. If you're an Australian entrepreneur planning to run a business in the US, this is crucial information, especially if your family is coming along with you. So what exactly is the visa reciprocity fee? Well, it's a fee that visa applicants from certain countries need to pay after their application is approved. These fees are based on the principle of reciprocity. Essentially, if a foreign government charges US citizens a fee for certain visas, the US will impose a similar fee on citizens of that country for equivalent visas. It's sort of like the US saying, if you charge our citizens, we'll charge yours. Many countries don't have a reciprocity fee, but for some, the fee can be quite hefty. Unfortunately, Australians face a pretty steep fee because the Australian government charges US citizens a similar amount. Previously, this fee was around $3,500 per applicant, which was already the highest that I knew of. But recently, I rechecked this fee and was shocked to find out that it had jumped to $5,592. That's a massive increase. To put this into perspective, a family of four would need to pay a staggering $22,368 once their E-2 visa applications are approved. But fortunately, there is a little bit of good news. The good news is that the visa is now valid for 5 years, which does take some of the sting out of that hefty fee. But there's no denying the fact that this is a significant cost. Now, on a slightly more positive note, let's talk about interview wait times. This has been a hot topic, especially after the long delays we've seen over the past couple of years. But here's the good news. I've noticed a significant improvement since last summer. For instance, a client of mine recently applied through Sydney on July 16th, and her interview is scheduled for August 29th. That's a pretty reasonable turnaround. Of course, it's important to know that predicting wait times can be tricky since they depend on the workload and staffing at consular posts. But right now, things are looking pretty good. So there you have it, the key updates for the E-2 visa for Australians in 2024. If you're considering this visa, make sure you factor in the new reciprocity fee and enjoy the benefit of the 5-year validity period. Also, keep your fingers crossed for those shorter interview wait times. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or need assistance with the E-2 visa application, I recommend that you reach out to one of the many amazing E-2 visa lawyers that you can find across the globe. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more updates on E-2 visa topics. See you next time.